everyone, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make sauerkraut at home. It's very simple to make and excellent for your gut health. Lots of antioxidants, lactic acid bacteria, probiotics. It can reduce the stress and also good for your brain health. Basically, it's just a fermented cabbage, so you don't need lot of ingredients, just cabbage and salt. But I'm going to add garlic and mustard seeds for extra flavor. To start with, I will be using organic cabbage, and this is around 300 grams, and then I will be using sea salt. Then I need a glass jar to keep the cabbage for fermentation, and then I need a bowl to mix the cabbage. I'm going to slice the cabbage. I don't want to slice too big, otherwise it will be quite chunky when you are eating. So I will just slice it a little bit thin, and then I need to give it a good massage with salt. Let me show you how to do that. So make sure to take out the middle core of the cabbage. And just slice it as thin as possible. You need to take out the core in between, and then make sure the slices are not very big or thick, so it will be like this. Alright, I have already sliced the cabbage. Now I'm going to add salt. So this is around 300 grams, so I'll be putting around 3 grams of salt. And then crushed garlic and mustard seeds. Now I need to squeeze the cabbage so that the salt will mix up properly with all the cabbage. You need to do a good massage until the cabbage starts getting wilted. Massage until the moisture begins to drip off. You will also notice the quantity reducing. I started with full bowl, now it's going to be like half. I'll be doing the same thing with one more cabbage, and after giving it a good massage, I will leave it for around 30 minutes so that all the moisture can come out. You need to crush the cabbage also, so make sure your hands are clean and continue to squeeze. My hands are paining. Okay, anyway, I need to do this, and I have one more full bowl to go. So I have kept the cabbage this way for 30 minutes, and you can see the briny liquid started coming out. Can you see that? So the briny liquid started coming out. Now I'll be putting this inside. So sometimes when the cabbage is sitting in the supermarket for a long time, it could be dried up, like not enough moisture. So that time, if you see the liquid is not enough, you need to put a little bit water. You can just put it in salt and then put the water. So basically we have to ensure that the cabbage is submerged inside the liquid. Let me show you. You just press hard because you don't need any air space in between. I will take this one, this to press. See, so the cabbage totally submerged in the liquid. So this is ready. You can see the cabbage is totally submerged inside the liquid, and I'm going to put this plastic inside, and I will put water. I'll just make a small knot so that the water will not spill. And I'll just leave it like this for 1 or 2 days. And now I'm going to cover it up with this kitchen towel. Ideally, if it's very hot, the weather is very hot, then you just need 1.5 weeks or 10 days. In Singapore, it's quite hot, so I will keep it for probably I'll keep it for probably 10 days, and then I will just put it in the fridge, and you can continue to eat from the fridge. Yeah. So 10 days and it will get